Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.